Okay, good morning. It's just going to be a quick one. Well, as quick as I possibly can. This is a new sat-nav by Garmin. I've looked and looked and looked and looked, and then I did some research and more research and more research, and this is the one that came out tops. A Camper 780. Now, reason why, because we're going to go abroad in a bit. I don't know when, but anyway. So, but I was looking at all the pros and cons with this thing, and if you can see that. So you got camper routing, motorhome campsites, brilliant. Live weather conditions, live traffic, maps updates included, hands-free calling, what's that, voice activated, 3D buildings, I've got my glasses a bit, supports, backup and everything. So anyway, it's quite a big screen as well. So we're going to have a quick look what's in the box, and then we're going to have a go at setting it up, and I'll do that with you. So have a quick look what's in the box, and then I'll have a play, and then I'll get back to you with that. So quick decos. Oh, there it is. Slim. Very slim. Oh yes, that's another thing I did, that's what clinched it for me, is the fact that it's got a front-facing camera. So it's a dash cam as well. That is really impressive. Don't know if it comes with any of this stuff, so have a quick look. So anyway, this is a Garmin 780, is it? Is that what I said it was? The 780, yeah. Alright, so far, that, which is the Garmin, very slim. Oh, we do get everything, that's good. So, charger, which we'll do straight away. 2 mounts. Is that a magnetic mount? I don't know what that is. I'll look into that one. USB charger, and yeah, so you've got a USB charger, and you've also got your cigarette charger. A mount, screen, that's a screen mount, and I'll look into that one. Don't know what it is, but I haven't looked at the book yet, so I don't know. I think that's the is that? Ah, that's it. That fits on there, and then this goes on the Garmin. Okay, right, so we've got all the fitting bits, that's great, and then we've got the manual. Okay, I'll have a look at this, and I shall get back to you in a sec. Been looking at the wrong one. That is the actual power button. Hence, I just turned it on, and there we go. So pretty straightforward by the look of it. So United Kingdom, it's got a bit of charge in it. Okay, of course you're going to accept all. That's interesting. Connect to the Garmin Drive mobile app to access additional features for your camera. That's right, it's just changed colour. Okay, live traffic updates, smart notifications. Connect now. So what you'll have to do now, I think, connect the Garmin Drive mobile app to access additional features for your Camper 720. I'll do that later, I think. Or can I? No, I haven't got it downloaded. Okay, so I found one problem. I can't connect to this phone. This phone is in Hawaii. Stupid. I got the phone for the camera, but it just keeps on kicking me out of the software, because you have to download the drive bit. Where is it? It says Garmin Drive. 1 second, let me just show you. So you can go there, or you can just type the app in. And you need Garmin Drive. Anyway, I'll show you this other bit. Hold on. I think the Garmin will fit in I've got a tablet holder in the van, so that's pretty hard to put in, but it works. There we go. And that'll be sticking on your screen, whichever way around. You can do it that way, you can turn this around like that, so that's quite versatile. Put that on the screen, whatever. Okay, so that's alright. Also, you make sure you charge it before you start setting it up, because mine ran out of battery, but that's got nothing to do with this phone. This stupid phone not recognizing the software properly. It won't let me connect. It just says put your password and username in, which I've done, and password and email address, and it just kicks me out. It's done it before because it doesn't like Google or anything else, this phone. Anyway, at the moment I've got it plugged into the mains. I'll show you that. There we go. Approximate time remaining 30 minutes. It's doing a massive update of 13 gigabytes of maps and updates. It'll say on the screen when you scroll down You go into settings and you type in, you go into settings, it says updates, click on the updates, it'll say, do you want this update or that update or all? I just click on all, makes life easier, and then don't touch it. All right, so I had to plug it in to the wall to get it charged. Update, so it's checking now, we've done it all, it should be all up to date. So wait a second, there you go, up to date, and that's it. Vehicle profile, I've already put that in. Map and vehicle, set preferences. Driving map 3D, show vehicle. That'll do. Just got any more? Pretty clever, isn't it? Look. Oh, you can have different ones. Okay, let's have. Well, it's not that big. Have that, I think. So save. Map detail, normal. More. Save that. Map theme. This is what we're looking for then. So that's it. That's fine then, so we can do that. So we'll stay as we are at the moment. We're going to give it a test today. Pretty straightforward. Right up. Map layers. Up ahead places. We'll see about that one. Cancel that. Auto zoom. I've got no my maps. Set routes. Traffic. Driver assistant. What's that? Okay. So speed alerts. Over the speed limit. Is there any more? Okay, save. Outside city. Save. Go back. I was helping anybody. I pressed the wrong one then. Reduce speed tone. That's already on. Brake planning, approximately alerts. Maps and preferences. I think we've done all that. Updates vehicle. Navigation, set routes, wireless networks. Okay, driver assistant. We haven't done that because it's not compatible with my phone at the moment. Wireless camera. Oh, we can set a wireless camera. That's interesting. Traffic units and time. Let's have a look. 12 hours. Set current time, which is what? Oh, it's right. Okay. Miles. Position format. Fine. Display brightness. Keyboard layout. Let's have a look. British. Text line British, that's fine. I think we're there. Okay, fits beautifully. Holds that screen. That really does stick well to that screen. Power, you've got plenty of leads. I've had to wrap it up. I've got some little Velcro, which I'm going to use that if I can find them. Yeah, it goes in six, so you've got plenty of room for that. Easy to set up, even though I could not use it on this bloody useless phone. Well, the phone's okay. I like the camera on it. But you can put your points of interest in. You can put your next destination in as well. So if I come out of here, where to, history. Okay, if you can see, so you can put them all in, whatever you want to go. I'll put the ports, I'll put Dover and everything in. You can put your addresses, campsites.
Turn left onto Newtown.
And she talks to you. Yeah, so there we are. It's cracking bit of kit. I think it's going to be really helpful. I will do a review when we start doing a road trip. But apart from that, yeah, pretty good. Pretty impressed with it. Yeah, we'll go from there. All right, take care. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great. And we'll see you soon. Take care.